Top 10 Herbal Plants. 1. Rosemary. Benefits: boosts memory, helps hair growth, aromatic, care, needs sunlight, well-drained soil. Two. Mint. Benefits: aids digestion, great for teas and chutneys, care, partial sun, moist soil. Three. Curry leaves. Benefits: good for digestion, rich in antioxidants, care, full sun, regular watering. Four. Lemongrass. Benefits: helps in weight loss, detox drink, mosquito repellent, care, full sun, well-drained soil. Five. Turmeric plants. Benefits: powerful anti-inflammatory, healing spice, care, partial sun, moist soil. Six. Tulsi plants. Benefits: immunity booster, stress relief, cures cold and cough, care, full Sunday, moderate watering. Seven. Aloe Vera. Benefits: skin care, digestion support, healing burns, care, bright light, very low watering. Coriander plants. Benefits: good for detox, cooling properties, care, light sun, frequent watering. Nine. Oregano plants. Benefits: antibacterial, used in Italian dishes, care, full Sunday, light watering. Ten. Thyme plants. Benefits: anti-inflammatory, boosts immunity, great flavor, care, full sun, low watering. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel.